Have you ever been arrested? Well, in this video, I'll learn what happens if you are. See, on Wednesday, November 1st, it was Take Your Kid to Work Day, and I went with my mom to the North Vancouver courthouse. My mom is a Crown Counsel, which means she's a lawyer who prosecutes criminal cases. So if you were arrested, you would see her in court. But you wouldn't just see her. You'd also come across a defense counsel, a sheriff, a court clerk, a native court worker, a justice of the peace, among others. While I was there, I got to learn about all these people's different jobs. Here are some of the people I spoke to.
Our goal is to represent the province of British Columbia and present the case against the accused person. It's about making sure that we're going towards whatever justice looks like in that case.
So a defense counsel, you're an advocate, so you advocate on behalf of someone who's accused of committing a crime. Your job is to review all of the facts, the law, and try and get the best result you can for your client.
We provide court security for all participants, and that would be the judge, the clerk, the lawyers, members of the public. It's a sheriff's job to maintain control and order in the courtroom.
I am the native court worker, and my role is to navigate Indigenous people through the court process. So I'll assist them with their first appearances. Sometimes I'll get phone calls from them when they're in police cells or what have you, and I'll assist in finding temporary housing, counseling, any kind of resources in the community that they might need, connect them with lawyers, and assist with early appearances.
I wasn't able to film in many places in the courthouse due to safety reasons, but I got to see 3 different cases in Indigenous sentencing court.
Indigenous ways of looking at justice had a lot more focus on restorative justice, so it was more about restoring a certain level of peace and harmony back in the community, which meant that both the accused person as well as elders, as well as perhaps the victim, would all be there and be able to really deal with whatever hurt had been caused in a really deep way, and then be able to move past it.
Hopefully you don't get arrested, but if you are, hopefully you learned a little more about the people you'll see in court.